Linda Nosková is a Czech tennis player. Linda Nosková was born on November 17, 2004 in the Czech Republic. Her original name is Linda Nosková. She has a Czech identity and a place in the West Slavic ethnic assembly. Noskova won the 2021 French Open Girls Singles title. On 14 June 2021, she was the number 5 in the combined ITF junior rankings. She has a career-high singles ranking by the Women's Tennis Association (WTA) of 184, reached on 4 April 2022, and a career-high WTA doubles ranking of 270, achieved on 7 March 2022. She qualified for the 2022 French Open, making her WTA Grand Slam main draw debut, becoming the youngest Czech player to compete at a Grand Slam since Nicole Vadisova at the 2006 US Open and the youngest qualifying at this major since Michelle Larcher de Brito at the 2009 Roland Garros. Born into a nation of tennis stars, little Noskova generally acted to become a skilled tennis player. She was supported by her people who helped her develop her tennis skills. She qualified for the 2022 French Open and made her debut in the WTA Grand Slam basic draw. On 23 May 2022, Linda Noskova's previous match was against Raducanu in French Open Paris, France. Match ended with result 1-2. Linda Nosková fixtures tab is showing last 100 tennis matches with statistics and win or lose icons. There are also all Linda Nosková scheduled matches that they are going to play in the future. Noskova became a genius in 2019 at the age of 15. She was one of the best trained players at the lower level. On 14 June 2021, she was number 5 in the Associated ITF Junior rankings. She qualified for the 2022 French Open, made her WTA Grand Slam fundamental draw debut and became the youngest Czech player to ever compete in a Grand Slam. Noskova won the Nurs Sultan International Tournament 2022 doubles held between February 21 and February 27, 2022 in Nur Sultan, Kazakhstan.